The WORKSITE 20V angle grinder is a cordless option that packs a punch for its price. It boasts a brushless motor, a comfortable grip, and a generous battery and charger package, making it a tempting choice for DIYers and light-duty professionals. However, it's not without its drawbacks, so let's dive into the details. WORKSITE 20V angle grinder review, a capable contender with room for improvement. The WORKSITE 20V angle grinder is a cordless option that packs a punch for its price. It boasts a brushless motor, a comfortable grip, and a generous battery and charger package, making it a tempting choice for DIYers and light-duty professionals. However, it's not without its drawbacks, so let's dive into the details. Pros: powerful brushless motor, delivers enough power for most grinding, cutting, and polishing tasks on common materials. 4.0 battery and fast charger. Included battery offers solid runtime, and the fast charger keeps you working with minimal downtime. Adjustable auxiliary handle provides improved control and stability during operation. Ergonomic grip, comfortable design reduces fatigue during extended use. Safety features includes a guard, spindle lock, and soft start for added protection. Competitive price, offers good value for its features and performance. Cons: brand recognition. WORKSITE is less established than major brands like DeWalt or Makita, so long-term durability and parts availability might be concerns. Limited speed settings, only offers 2-speed options, which may not be ideal for finer tasks. Dust collection, requires a separate dust collection hose, not included. Noisier than some competitors, can be loud during operation, so ear protection is recommended. The WORKSITE 20V angle grinder is a capable cordless option for DIYers and light-duty professionals who prioritize affordability and ease of use. Its brushless motor, comfortable grip, and included battery and charger make it a compelling choice for occasional tasks. However, if you need a grinder for heavy-duty work, require more precise speed control, or value established brands for guaranteed longevity, you might want to consider other options. Consider your needs and budget. If you need a grinder for occasional projects, the WORKSITE might be enough. But for frequent or heavy-duty work, invest in a more robust tool. Check for compatible accessories. Ensure you can easily find replacement discs, guards, and other accessories for the WORKSITE grinder. Read user reviews. See what other users have to say about the WORKSITE grinder's performance, battery life, and durability. I hope this review helps you decide if the WORKSITE 20V angle grinder is the right tool for your needs. Get it with a discount on Amazon, link in the description.